It's me, Blush Nadia. So I'm going to be showing you my satisfying slime. There's only two. So this is my first squishy that is very like satisfying, and it's an apple. And this is very squishy. See? It's very squishy. And if you really would like to buy this, you can buy this from any vending machine. Any vending machine can buy it. You can see. So yeah. So yeah, this is my shisha slime. So this is my other one, and it's a Guditama one, and I think it's very squishy. Sorry if right now my voice is covering the music. I'm so sorry. So yeah, and this is my favorite song, We Are Number One. You can go search for it. So yeah, this is very squishy and satisfying. This is the satisfying one. Yeah, it is my favorite. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like and share this video to any of your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be part of the Plushies family. The Plushies family, like me, Plush Nadia, I would do vlogs, unboxing videos, maybe some tours, and like some videos about common sense or thing, and I can animate, but I don't choose to. And this video is me showing you something. So yeah, please subscribe, and you can see all those. So yeah, bye guys, see you on the next video. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. I can only make videos every Friday and Saturday. Yes, but I think once a week or two a week. So yeah, comment down below what you want next. Maybe an unboxing video, but not so expensive because I can't afford. And if you're wondering when another slime video might be coming up, I'm trying to make another slime, and it just turned into lotion. So I think I would be making lotion slime. So yeah, this is my lotion slime, and it's very foamy. And this is not with glue, just to tell you. That's why it's very safe for me to make it a lotion. And I even tried it out for after. So you put this on yourself for 5 hours. You just put it around you, and it won't stain. So, and it will make your skin very clear and shiny. So it won't affect your skin. It won't. So yeah, guys, see you on the next video.